Well, in today's video, going to be replacing the fuel pump with the AEM unit, Works fuel pump relay, and going to be dealing with something kind of unexpected with a car like this, but at least I wasn't expecting it, which is a rusty fuel tank. Picked up a fuel tank off of Facebook Marketplace. It's in here. Anyways, it's a used one. Somewhere down in there. Woo! Because this one is full of rust. I mean, super duper full of rust. I'll show you that here in a second. But 2 days ago, I ended up pulling the hanger out, and it was full of rust. I'll show you what that looks like. I've been working on getting rid of it. My pump, it's a pretty rusty mess. I'm gonna try to clean this up with some of this rust chemical that I got before I install the new pump. Yeah, so this stuff says it's super safe. It's not supposed to eat it up, you know, kind of like a toilet bowl cleaner and stuff like that. So hopefully it doesn't really eat anything up. So that's kind of why I went with it. So check it out. Stuff worked pretty darn good. Did a great job of taking the rust off. Not really eating this thing up at all. Alright, so removing a Skyline gas tank is pretty simple looking. It's under here. It just has these two straps that you have here. Here are my fuel lines. This is a vapor line. These lines need to be replaced. You can see them up at the fuel pump hanger, but they're a little on the soft side, so I need to get these out and replace these guys because they're really soft, and I think this one's leaking. So all I gotta do is remove these bolts. The straps come down, and you gotta kind of play with the filler neck. Someone has already been in here messing with it. It's a little jacked up, but it should come down and get rid of this tank. So got most of the gas out of it, so it shouldn't be too heavy or anything like that. It's just full freaking rust.
Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose right till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that say stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flick up. Bill, I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the
Alright, that's probably the easiest tank I've ever dropped in my life. Pretty simple, not too bad. Get rid of this. Just get this vapor line. I can take this puppy out. There we go. Alright, so I need to replace these guys here because they're mushy. Alright, so my new tank doesn't come with the neck or this hose, so I'm going to take them off now because I might have to order this seal that's right here, and that's going to take a couple days, so I'm going to get it off now and check out the condition of that seal. And what I was thinking was I need to store this tank. I'm not going to throw it away, and I'm not going to sell it the way it is because this is full of rust. But what I was thinking was if I'm going to store it, which I need to store it in my attic, I don't want it to smell like gas. It still smells like gas, and I don't want to wash it out with water just yet. So I was thinking that I was just going to pour this whole gallon of Evapo-Rust in the tank and clean it out. Rusty it actually is, and it's pretty gross. Let's see if I can show you a little bit what this thing looks like in here. GoPro probably. Might have to show you some footage from my phone.
The contract, just tell them they get what they pay for. I am not fucking with poverty. Really, it started to bother me. I need the yacht with the property. They come with the view that you gotta see. Came up from the basement, hit the rooftop with a passion. Bad bitch with some good credit and a good sense for the.
But anyways, like, check it out. There is a ton of rust in it. You can basically just stick your hand in there. And look at this, it sticks out. It's super rusty. Alright, well that's it for today. I got what I wanted to get done pretty much. Got the tank out, got the lines out, and get some replacement ones. And I'll probably get back on it tomorrow or the next day. And the new tank, need to clean it out. It's got some dirt in it. And get back on the fuel pump hanger.
I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave